Hey guys, so just got out the shower. Yeah. I have a really quick question. So, when I wash my hair and I detangle it in the shower, a lot of hair tends to come out. Like, this is my jewelry brush I use. And I don't know if you can see how much hair that is, but sometimes it's more than that. I'm really out of breath because that was a really hot shower and it felt really good. But anyways, so yeah, sometimes when I comb my hair out, a lot of hair tends to fall out and it gets clogged up in the drain. And like after a certain period of time, my drain gets really clogged. Oh, that was scary. My drain gets really clogged with hair, and it's really not that cool. Like, my stepdad always has to clean it out, and he gets really upset, and it's like really nasty when he cleans it out. But anyways, I was wondering if anyone else had this problem and how they solved the issue. I just tried to like pull the bath plug up so that the water would just like stay in there, and then I'd take the hair out when I was done in the shower so that it wouldn't go down the drain. But I was wondering if there was like an alternate way, or because it's really hard for me not to detangle my hair in the shower. Like, I really like to do that. So, if anyone has any suggestions, please, please, please hit me up. Peace, love, and happiness.